I am knotted gun. Would you please step aside? You're standing right in front of the barrel. Would you please step aside? You're standing right in front of the barrel.
I just cleared the security check. I'm not a troublemaker, I'm a peace-loving member of society. This is the UN. How will this place provide peace to the world if there's a gun pointed at anyone who walks into the building?
Well, you haven't examined my barrel carefully.
Yes, I did. This is a sculpture revolver created by Carl Frederick Ruckelsworth. Mr. Revolver, your barrel has a knot. How could you possibly protect us? If anyone fires a shot, he will not only blow his own face and hands up, but also me.
Well, people think that guns are useful for killing people. No one thinks that they eliminate evil and accompany goodness.
You are a symbol.
A symbol of what? Evil? Has anyone ever peeked inside my cylinder holes? How many withered faces are there? Has anyone ever held my barrel up to the light? How many particles are visible? I've always admired Oscar Wilde's saying, unfaithful love is more romantic. Everyone has seen the flames coming out of my barrel. Have you ever thought that fire gives life?
Is this like the show of the tusks of the elephants? Sound like outside, but like a devil at home.
That's for you to find out. You know, you are clever.
No, I'm not. I'm just a mother. All the clever ones are sitting in Wall Street skyscrapers playing with billions of dollars to control the world. They use ammunition and war to stabilize the global market, wreaking havoc around the globe.
You know, you were right. And that's why they laced me up to the forehead of the UN Army as a symbol of power. Kindly go through the doors as the exhibition continues. The UN is a coliseum. In fact, it protects the rights of those who possess the dynamite and nuclear ammunition.
All I can think of is my 12-year-old son and my dear husband, gasped for air and ventilators. A part of me died as I watched their soul leave their bodies right in front of my eyes.
The show is on. Look. That's theatrics. Also called the exhibition hall building. Now, surprisingly, or quite obviously, it's an exploitation of poor nations, making them poorer and poorer.
Lucas Hart appealed to my secrets. You are my pal.
You are my pregnant pal. My dear, now, all kinds of traditional warfare with weapons of mass destruction, nuclear warheads and the like are irrelevant. Now, war is to spread different viruses.
This is my war. Why did you laugh and then cry?
I laughed excitedly because I am in the state of highest honor. I am standing with someone who will stand before evil like a wall. And I cried because in front of these superpowers, a woman alone is powerless.
A mother's strength is second to none. I've lost my 12-year-old son and my dear husband. And now, I must protect him. I will take revenge of this insidious virus.
I am with you. Please shake hands with me.
Through these doors, nations gather to dehumanize humanity. Humans are thought of as mere robots and machines. Is this the price for freedom? My son, now, I am your sentinel.
I have the pleasure to present to you Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. I still have a dream. It is a dream deeply rooted in the American dream. I have a dream. I have a dream.
Don't you see? I'm already wearing a mask to protect myself from the virus.
Well, this mask will protect you from the virus that they call racism.
Then I don't need it, because I don't see color.
Well, can you breathe?
Yes, I can.
Because I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe!
Take this cloak as a gift. It does not contain any bacteria or virus like the one Europeans gave to Native Americans containing smallpox.
Oh, first American. This land belonged to you, indigenous people. I would like to get some rest and buy some food. Where should I go?
Oh, the restaurant is upstairs. There you will find departments packaging disease, drought, hunger, floods, and war. into attractive packages called humanitarian effort and aid.
She's like a veto power lady. She doesn't belong here. Or what do you think? May I join you? Are you twins? Related?
Not at all.
No?
I am a proud Hindu.
I'm a proud Muslim.
Where are you from?
India.
Pakistan. Sorry, India.
Sorry, I meant to say I'm from Pakistan.
You guys look angry with each other.
Because of the virus. Virus started from the valleys of Kashmir.
No, it started in Balochistan.
I thought it started in Wuhan. Is that close to Kashmir or Balochistan? May I join you? Yes, secure. May I join your family?
Family? Wait, do I look like him?
If you're discussing the virus, let's not blame anyone.
It's a big conspiracy against us. The virus came from nowhere else but the Gaza Strip.
It could be traced from Tel Aviv.
Is Wuhan near Gaza Strip or Tel Aviv?
You mind your own business.
baby and I are famished. May I sit here?
Why does hunger in America matter? Do you know how many children are starving in my country, in Ukraine? We have no drugs. We have no food. And on top of it all, the virus.
That is because of the virus.
Russia hid the virus in China.
child of the author of this book, Mother. Maxine Gorky.
I was born in America and grew up in Germany. I am an American. Why would I give my child a Russian name?
All names are borrowed. Americans named Alexander, Genghis, Napoleon, named for warriors. While nobody uses Shakespeare, God, Tolstoy, even though reading spreads the virus of love.
I'm fighting the war of this pitiless virus.
I'm with you. This will prevent you from getting the virus. It contains the moon's tears, the sweat of the sun's forehead, and a dead Mother Nature's ash. Take some drops.
Thank you, but I want to bring those who created the virus to justice.
Please turn around and look. Everyone's wearing a mask. How will you decipher who the culprit is? Which I'll tell you what to do. Go straight. You'll find stairs. Go up the stairs and hit the Chamber of International Court. An attorney from the International Court is here from The Hague on an official visit.
What's The Hague?
It's a city in the Netherlands. The city hosts the International Court of Justice. The attorney's feet are judges, just like his eyes. And he is...
And he is... No, we have to go to another country to get justice?
Yes, the righteousness of the country is controlled by the mafia. So, by popular demand of other countries, the International Court of Justice has to be outside of this country.
How will I climb these stairs?
Yes, I am. Do you represent any state?
All the states of the world.
Who are you quarreling with?
All the states of the world.
Esta mujer vino para joderme la vida. So, you're both the defender and the prosecutor. That's interesting. What's the dilemma?
Coronavirus. I want to bring those who created the virus to justice, so they may be punished. This virus is a nuisance to the world. One can neither breathe in nor out. I've witnessed my dear husband, my child, gasp for air like fish out of water.
Well, let's go. We have to seek the permission from the Security Council. I advise you. Do you have time?
Do you have time? Fighting this war is the purpose of my life.
This is my job. After you.
After you.
After you.
After you.
After you.
What nuclear weapons used?
Did somebody rescue emergency cut to save that fireman from pollution?
The matter is grave. The matter is severe.
The matter is serious! The matter is serious!
Extremely serious.
Extremely serious! Extremely serious! Extremely serious!
This matter must be presented in the international court!
Women must be represented in this court!
Besides the 15 male judges, there were 3 female judges representing into the international court. The courtroom proceeding began the next morning. All rise. The courtroom proceeding began after 9 a.m.
Your Honor, may I? Your Honor, the outbreak of COVID-19 caused economic suffering, a higher mortality rate than ever before. This has been seen and or debated on the media, and the statistics to the public are insufficient. Your Honor, the unemployment rate is far higher than the death rate in every country. The actual loss and deaths are not accurately reported, as the numbers are far higher than we are being told. This joblessness is wrecking our economy.
Please, only strong.
Who are you addressing? You must seek permission first.
I apologize, Your Honor.
Are you finished?
No, but it's all right. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Introduce yourself first.
My name is Powerful Johnson. I am a businessman. That's it. I can disclose no more.
All right, stand up. Go ahead.
Only powerful shoulders can support a marvelous mind. Madam, please give God a break. The sun is losing its energy, and the moon its exquisite beauty. Only now we have put the ancient god of millennia into retirement. The sun has been burning gases for billions of years. Now it is running out of fuel. Consequently, we have invented our own sun. We will control its fuel. The control of nature is now in the hands of science. We control the sun, the moon, clouds, and rain, summer, and winter. I have Google in my eyes. With a blink, I can access any data. We are in control of the Earth's cyclical solar power system. Your Honor, how many children has a woman given birth to at one time before today? 1. Or, under ideal conditions, naturally, 2. Or, at most, 3. More than that is beyond her power. In her body, every month, 1 cell is formed for birth, the egg of a woman. The female body cannot produce more. Your Honor, we now no longer need women to reproduce. From that 1 cell, 107 children can be born, each with identical features and characteristics. We will govern society. We will create a superhuman race, all with superior characteristics, exquisitely and exclusively 1 color. No other skin color will exist. No more white, black, or brown human faces. We will create the Alpha Plus Society, a martial race. From now...
Chauvinistic and prejudiced! Your Honor, I cannot believe I'm listening to the greatest racist statement of this century. Your small number of a monotonous race can eliminate the beauty of diversity. A majestic garden consisting of all humans, of every color.
Inexperienced and immature. Your Honor, how naive is she? We have invented the virus bomb, which is far more effective than its predecessor, the atom bomb. The atom bomb annihilated only 2 cities of Japan, while the virus bomb can eliminate all of planet Earth in no time. Your Honor, we have the power to build a new planet. We will do away with old tools and planets and create room for new inventions. A newer planet! Your Honor, we must burn down Rome so that a new Rome can be built, while Nero plays the flute to the tune of peace and happiness.
Your Honor, I can no longer tolerate the ignorance of this fool. His ignorance, arrogance, and sci-fi rambling needs to be removed. Your Honor, permit me to submit the report of a case study. This virus was caused by bats. Those using bats must be punished.
Your Honor, I have something to say to those showing arrogance toward my harbinger. It must be protected.
Introduce yourself.
Your Honor, I am the Romanian idol. Tougher than humans. Prince Vlad, the Impaler, also known as Dracula.
Christopher rises from the grave.
Do you have Bram Stoker book rights? We're sitting in courtroom, not in AFC movie theater.
You have to introduce yourself if you would like to speak.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. My devotee is a friend of yours in this world. You inhabits dark, gloomy caves. It eats insects. It's the only mammal that flies, and its wings resemble the human hand. Imagine the skin between your fingers, thin but stretched. Humans should learn a lesson from hanging upside down. This lugubrious animal deprived of eyesight during the day and worships gloom. He is faultless, chaste, clean, sinless, illicit, fascinated and absorbed, lost in his own thought. He does not bother humans, rather it's you who use it for food, enjoying its soup. I don't know why you humans turned it into a mascot for evil, as fictional elimination is being turned into reality. Your Honor, this gentleman here thinks he can invent a superhuman. He claims we should eliminate our element and build a new civilization. No, Your Honor. We must learn a lesson from the bat. It adores the company of its friends. It flies. It sees in the dark. It sees things that are unperceivable to the human eye. It is a symbol of death and new life in Mexican culture. It goes into underground caves in the daylight and emerges every night as if it has been given new life.
Have you ever seen the face of a bat? It's dreadful.
Your Honor, I need to rest for a while.
All right. You can rest in the red room. All judges will rest in the blue room. The session will start the next day where it ended.
All rise. Courtroom session will begin tomorrow afternoon. All rise. The courtroom session began after 1 p.m.
Your Honor, if its physical appearance looks scary to you, then I present a person who's the most adored individual in your country. He's part of your culture, a hero. He's just walking around the streets, wearing a cheap costume of bat. He's part of your street culture.
Halloween today? Or we are watching Phantom of Opera on Broadway.
From 99-cent store? It's cheap!
No, it's not 99 cents. I bought it for $9.99. Made in China.
So it means you are Chinese Batman?
I think he has coronavirus. Can you smell? Can you taste?
You want me to bite you? No, I will not bite. And we are here in America. Chinese, Russian, Pakistani, Indian, African, Palestinian, Ukrainian, and Israeli. We are all American.
My country is America. Her country is America.
Her country is America.
No, not you! No, her country is America!
He who has no country, his country is America.
Everyone has an accent. Everyone says my country's America.
My country is America.
The whole world is American.
I control the
security. I'm not doing stand-up comedy. It's serious. I take a close look. Madame, the baby in your womb will wear his costume. Everything your baby owns, be it a book, bag, pencils, clothes, it will all bear his picture. This is the system of society you've come from. A system always making money off you by showing you something, selling you something else. They know how to cash the awful feeling of fear! Genuine, exquisite feeling of love. This is capitalism, which spreads fear and takes money from your pocket at gunpoint.
No speakable content.
This man's done nothing wrong. These capitalists will first spread seed, hoard the money for the truth. Fear is the tool with which capitalists make money.
I think my water broke. Oh, my stomach is tight and my baby's head is down in my womb. Death is near me. Is there anyone to take me to the hospital?
save this world, please. Don't move.
You seem to be thirsty. Bring water for her!
Is she really thirsty? Acidity is one symptom of diabetes, or in the situation.
Is she cranky or sluggish? Thirst can't seem to quench.
One of the most common reasons she's probably thirsty. Dehydration. Overheating is one of the biggest problems of dehydration.
Are you blind?
Just delivered a baby. You just bring the water?
The whole city's in chaos. Everything shut down. Where am I supposed to get water from?
Get it from the men's room. You know, from the tap. We don't have fancy bottles filled with European lake water.
Are you crazy? Do you want to kill her? Your tap water is polluted. Do you know how old these pipes are? These pipes are polluted.
Choo, 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 choo. Tap water's polluted. Tap water's polluted. Tap water's polluted. Choo, 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 choo.
Take my blood. My blood is pure. It's healthy. Your blood is not pure. You are the Antichrist. Are you vaccinated? Only those who are vaccinated can stay. Everyone else must leave this area. Where is your mask? Where is your mask? Where is your mask? Where is her mask? Where is her mask? Oh, no. She's thirsty. See, look, her lips, they're dry. Let's go 6 feet. Social distancing. Social distancing. Move.
Goodness here! Let's do the last prayer of forgiveness!
Oh God, save this planet! 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 Oh God, save this planet!
We must atone for our sins. We must die on this cross.
God, save this planet!
Crucify her!
Crucify her! Crucify her! Crucify her! Crucify her! Crucify her! Crucify her! Crucify her! Crucify her! Crucify her! Crucify her! Crucify her!
Don't go crazy! If she lifts her head, no one will live!
All you have to do is move from it to the bar.
Curse the evil that invented this bomb! Mr. Ugly can dismantle this bomb!
single person who supported me. I really, really appreciate your support, with all your support. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you.